Azine Card, and today I just received 2 packages in the mail. So gonna go ahead and do a little video and open them up for you guys to show you what I got. So let's go ahead and start off with this tubular object. I did do a slight incision here already, but I haven't opened it yet, so excuse me. Well, let's go ahead and get this open if we can. Alright, so we got it there. Let's see if we can just pull this out now. Pretty hard to do. Alright, so let's see if we can get this out now. Alright. Yep, it's just kind of falling apart. Alright, here we go. So let's see, where does it open? Here? Oh, there's tape on it, so you guys probably know what this is already by now, but yeah. Let's go ahead and get this out. So I just recently ordered this off of Amazon, and it looks pretty nice. And here's a little invoice thing. So yep. So just got this mat in. Probably be using it more often, so stay tuned for that. And on to the big package, or the other one. So let's go ahead and get it open. Oh, just got to tighten this. A little wrapping. Alright. Just gonna go ahead and put the invoice away off to the side. So I got 2 of the EB12 extra boosters for Waltz of the Goddess, card by Vanguard. And also, since I ordered 2, it does come with the Legion promo pack, which of course I'll be using. So that's always awesome. So yeah, stay tuned for this unboxing, which will probably be the next video I'll be doing. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and Azine Card out.